Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. This is time for drama queens and drama kings. It's a period where drama is piling up in our lives. And this is a potent period to see where we are at in our life. It's not about judging all the things that happened in the past. No, it's not about judging what happened with the ancestors. No, it's about knowing who our ancestors are, knowing all the situations in the past, but it's about reorientation, reorientating yourself into a future, but being present in your body. And whenever you feel pain, it's like something is out of resonance. So you have to look at that pain and see, what can I do to bring back resonance in that part that is out of resonance, that is out of balance. So we have a vibrational pattern. Everybody has one. And when it's in disharmony, you get sick, you get ill, you get depressed. And it's a very good time now to feel the pain, to feel the distortion that is going on everywhere. But what is it? What we have to learn now? It's about your vibrational field. How can you hold on the vibrations that are like light sparks? If you are a person who is coming into a room and the room is shining up, then you are vibrating on your soul level. And that's good, because then you are having and you are living your life at the fullest potential. And this is what we all want. But nowadays, we see that many people have the opportunity to be in dis-ease so they can learn from it, grow into it, and grow into that bigger light. I see what we have to do now is sometimes we can be in the big light and then suddenly we are in the dungeon, boof, it's black. So what we have to do is really, it's a stabilization. And to stabilize it and to harmonize it, we have to work with the heart. So what I see is a lot of heart ruptures. Many people are growing so fast in the energetic body that they get heart disease because the physical heart cannot cope with it because it's going too fast. So many people have weird stuff at the level of heart, at the level of the brain. Sometimes it's electric disconnections. Many things are happening now in this period of time because everything is going very fast. The energetic is very fast and the body has difficulties to cope with it. So what we have to do in this period of time is that we have external issues, we have internal issues. One of the first thing we have to know that we, inside of our heart, there's a light. And this is a light. This is the seed of the star, is in our heart, is like a light. And this always is there. If you are a living creature, you have this light in your heart. And this is connected with these have a lot of connections. But when we go out of the heart, sometimes we get into the dungeon, we get into fear. This is there. We have fear. We are not in the heart when we are fearful. When we are in that fear, we are in total distortion. And we cannot create things anymore. And everything what we create will go down. It's not a good idea. So what we have to do is really bring back all the attention and energy into our heart and keep that flame alive. You can have a big flame and you go into the room and you enlighten the room, or you can have a little flame that looking for others to get their light. This is how the consumption works here in Europe, or maybe in America, or maybe everywhere else. But one of the things is that the more you will gather, the more heavier you will become, because it's not your vibrations that you are picking. You have to work with your inner divine vibrational construction. It's like a blueprint you have. You came into this life. And we have to stop judging ancestors, stop judging our past, and say, this is why I'm not in balance, because of this and this and that. We have to stop that, because this will weaken your little flame into your heart. So this is like the new human that is born, that doesn't care anymore of whatever happened in the past. We know it, and that's enough. We don't have to stay in the pain body. We have to stay in the present body, and to be present with everything what is happening. If you have pain, because this is the time where pain repeats itself. If you have a certain pain, look at the pain, live the pain, and then reorientate yourself. It's about reorientation now. So you will have the power in your own hands, but we do it from the internal source, not from the external world. This is a show around you, and the show will give you clues how to deal with your inner light. So one of the things I am proposing is that you can every day just imagine your little soul light that is in your heart. You take it gently, your heart. You close your eyes, you imagine that light, and every time when you focus and bring the attention into your heart, you will enlighten that room of your heart. And then you breathe it in, you hold it, and then you breathe out. And this is a shortcut to remember who you are, and this is the light. I hope you have a beautiful journey these months that are coming until March. It's going to be challenging periods, but worthwhile. You will grow fast. And one thing, once a day, you just keep that light on. Thank you so much. And I hear you within a few months. Oha.